What happens to your body when you start eating beetroot? Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we are diving into what happens to your body when you start eating beetroot regularly. This bright, earthy root vegetable has gained attention as a superfood, but what does it actually do for your health? Let's explore the benefits, potential side effects, and why you might want to add more of it to your diet. But before we start, subscribe my channel for health-related videos for more information. Number 1. Boosts blood flow. One of the first things that happens when you start eating beetroot is a boost in blood flow. Beets are high in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax and widen blood vessels. This can improve circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your cells and organs. Number 2. Improves exercise performance. If you are into fitness or athletic performance, beets might just become your new favorite pre-workout snack. The increased blood flow from those nitrates also translates into better oxygen delivery to muscles. This can improve stamina, endurance, and overall exercise performance. Number 3. Supports brain health. Your brain also benefits from increased blood flow. Nitric oxide from beets can help enhance blood flow to the brain, improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of age-related mental decline. Some research even suggests that beetroot juice might help slow down dementia by improving the efficiency of blood flow to critical parts of the brain. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Beetroot is a powerful source of antioxidants, especially betalains, the pigment that gives beets their vibrant red color. Betalains have strong anti-inflammatory properties, which can help combat inflammation in the body. Number 5. Supports digestive health. Beets are high in fiber, with around 3.5 grams of fiber per cup. Fiber is essential for good digestive health, as it helps maintain regular bowel movements, feeds healthy gut bacteria, and supports a well-functioning digestive system. Number 6. May help fight cancer. Some studies suggest that compounds in beetroot, such as betalains and other antioxidants, might have cancer-fighting properties. While more research is needed, these compounds are thought to help reduce the risk of certain cancers, including colon and stomach cancer. Number 7. Side effects of too many beets. While beets are incredibly beneficial, there are some things to be aware of. Eating too many beets can cause beeturia, a harmless condition where your urine turns pink or red. This can be alarming, but it's perfectly normal and safe. For more informatics videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you.